eating clay could be doing you more harm than good, and I will explain the reason why in today's video. In our native dialect, clay is shire, and a lot of people think that because it's being obtained naturally from the soil, once you eat it, then that means it's good or beneficial. That is not true. And the act of eating clay is what is termed as zoophagia. In today's video, I will share with you 5 effects of eating clay to your body. So, if you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified always whenever I release a new video. Without wasting my time, let us look at these 5 effects. The first thing is that it contains some form of metals like mercury, lead, and arsenic. And when these metals go into your body, it can disrupt your reproductive function, and that can lead to infertility. It can also cause hormonal imbalances. Pregnant women who tend to take this clay a lot because of the metals in it can go a long way to cause complications with regards to pregnancy. The second thing is that it reduces the absorption of iron and other form of nutrients. This is because the clay tends to coat the surface of the stomach. Hence, the stomach is unable to digest food for the absorption of nutrients from the food. As a result, your body will always lack certain kind of relevant nutrients that should have been obtained from the food. The third thing is that it can contain some form of parasite and bacteria from the soil. And when this bacteria and parasite go into the body, that can lead to infection, and that can go a long way to even affect your reproductive health. The fourth thing is that cravings for clay, which is virtually soil, might be an indication of iron deficiency or some form of nutrient deficiency. Hence, once that kind of deficiency is being managed or treated, your cravings for the soil or the clay too will reduce. So this means that if you're one kind of person that consistently you crave to eat clay, then you need to seek medical intervention so that the actual cause of the iron deficiency or those nutrient deficiencies will be managed. Hence, your cravings too will reduce. You understand? The fifth thing that I want you to know is that it can cause constipation, because the more you take clay, the more the soil builds up inside your digestive system. And when they continue to build up, that makes it very, very difficult trying to pass through. A lot of people who tend to eat clay a lot usually experience constipation and difficulty in passing through. And sometimes this clay or soil, when they continue to build up like that, it can even obstruct or cause blockade of your intestinal tract, and that can lead to intestinal obstruction. Pregnant women, will you still continue to crave for the clay? Virtually, you might be ingesting all these things that I've highlighted in today's video. So henceforth, you need to stop craving it, because it might be that something might be going inside your body that needs to be managed. That is the very reason why you are always craving for that. And whenever that particular kind of thing is being managed, your cravings for the clay too will also reduce drastically. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I am Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession.